Hey there Candy Crush lover, wanna make your profile pop with style? Whether you are feeling royal, cute or just flexing those candy skills, changing your frame is the best way to glow up your game. And today I'll show you how to change frame in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open up Candy Crush Saga on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture. It's located at the top right here. Now tap on your profile picture. You'll see a bunch of avatars. Tap on frame. It's located right here. You will see a bunch of style frames that you have on from events, reward or milestones. Scroll through and pick the one that matches your vibe. Sparkly Star, Classic Gold, etc. Some frames are unlocked by reaching high levels or finishing special events, so keep crossing to unlock more frame swag. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change frame in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.